Hello, everybody. Hello. It is 1:11 on Monday afternoon because I totally forgot the 11:11 broadcast. I looked at my clock thinking it was about 10:30 and it was time to get ready for my 11:11 and I realized that it was afternoon. So that tells you a little bit about how my day is going. But if you're watching this in replay, it doesn't even matter. Quick reminder, if you're catching me live on Facebook or watching in replay on YouTube, all of the links that I want to lead you to are in the video description below. If you are watching this on IGTV, just go ahead and click that arrow up there and it'll drop down and give you links to connect with me in my private Facebook community. It will give you a link for my brand new book that I hope that you pre-order. It is called Managing the Motherload and it is just for moms, and it is a guide to creating more ease, space, and grace in motherhood. And we'll also link you to my first book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, which is all about meditation, and it's why you're here. So we're gonna get straight to the meditation. This is a meditation for anxiety and monkey mind, the chitta vritti, as they say in Sanskrit, in yoga, that collects in your headspace, that makes you feel jumpy, anxious, panicked, that confuses you and keeps you from getting all the things done that you need to get done. And it confuses you and tells you that there's stuff that you need to get done that you don't have to get done, and just clutters that space and makes you think that you should be busy when you really should be taking the time to sit and breathe. So that's what we're going to do today. I want to congratulate you on showing up for this meditation. Hello, everyone. Hi, Emma, joining me live. Jasmine, Roberto, Laura. My terrible, terrible Spanish accent, but I'm trying. Thank you for joining me live. Go ahead and take a nice deep inhale and exhale. Cross over energetically into your space of peace and calm, or relative peace and calm, that we're going to try to achieve here. Relative is a wonderful word for a meditation practice because it works even if there is just relative quiet, allowing the noise of your environment, relative stillness. You don't have to be a statue in meditation. You can even do it while you're moving, while you're running, while you're driving with your eyes open, standing in the grocery checkout line. So just take that nice, easy inhale and exhale, natural inhale and exhale as it is in this moment, not trying to change your breath at all. And join me in this space. You're doing something good for yourself in this moment. You can have your eyes closed like me or leave them open and focused softly upon an object, a point across the room, the floor past your nose, in front of you. If you can, sit up nice and tall by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears and exhaling, rolling your shoulder blades down along your spine. Place your hands downturned on your knees or your thighs, or upturned to receive the energy around you. Maybe keep them downturned today because we're creating a space of protection to kind of hold us gently, securely in this space of anxiousness, so that we can comfort ourselves out of it. I lead you to focus on your inhales and exhales because your breath is that perfect reminder that you are still here, you are safe, you are alive, you are capable of sitting still, of choosing yourself, of being in this moment. Your breath shows you all of that. So as you connect to your breath, Allow it to be an affirmation of your worthiness, your aliveness, your wellness, and your safety in this moment. No matter what struggles, aches, and pains, spiritual, emotional, or physical, you are able to sit here now in safety, in relative comfort, and choose yourself. You are able to be in communion with other spirits who are doing the same thing, with me who loves you and holds you dear. You are worthy of this time, and you are worthy of feeling good. You are worthy of feeling good. I know that in times of anxiousness, being still can be hard, so I'm not going to keep you long today. I'm just going to offer a couple words, mantras for you to keep, to make your own, to repeat throughout your day, maybe a time in the future when you want to revisit this feeling, this space of peace and calm. I'm going to offer you those as a gift, things that have worked for me. Your breath is affirmation of your aliveness, of your worthiness in this moment. That you are well and you are safe and you are capable and you are strong. That you are loved and that you have purpose. If it helps you to breathe more deeply, place your hand on your belly. As you inhale, let your belly be soft, round, loose. As you exhale, draw your belly button in and release all the air. And continue that pattern of movement in and out as you breathe. Cues like this allow you to be in the moment, focusing on not only your emotional feelings, but your physical state, and it distracts you from monkey mind, from thoughts racing around your head. So inhale, let your belly be loose. Exhale, release. It's that easy. Mantra 1. I am in control of what I feel, where I go, where I am. I am in control of what I feel, where I go, where I am. Right now, I choose to be here now, to connect with myself and give myself love. Right now, I choose to be here, to connect with myself and give myself love. I am safe. I am calm. I choose to be here. I am safe. I am calm. I choose to be here. Inhale with me. Belly nice and loose and round. Exhale, release. I am safe. I am calm. I choose to be here. Inhale, let your belly be loose. Exhale, release. One more time. I am safe. I am calm. I choose to be here. Be in silence and stillness with that. In this moment, you are safe. You are able to access peace and calm. It is your choice to be here, and a beautiful, loving choice that is. What a beautiful, loving choice that is. To choose yourself. To say, I am not my anxiety. I am not my stress. I am peace. I am calm. And I choose to connect with that. The wholeness, the worthiness, the stillness, the purpose, and the beauty that I am. Slowly bring all your attention back to your breath if it's straight away. Lead it back to your inhales and exhales. And just 3 more inhales and exhales to bring energy back into your body and start to wake up. Inhale and exhale. 2 left. Inhale. Exhale, smile. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, release, and let your eyes open. Hello, Karen and Irfan. Thank you for joining me. Just a reminder before we go, I don't want to wake you up. I'm going to try to speak quietly here. Check out those links in the video description to connect with me in my private Facebook community, to pick up my new book, to pick up my old book that's still good. And for my IG watchers, up there, click that little arrow and click on those links. I love you, I love you, I love you. I say it 3 times to really let it sink in. And for the same reason, I show gratitude by saying thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you soon.